Hello everyone, myself Rutvik Mohan Nimbudkar. I am going to present you about series hybrid vehicle. Model name is low floor Tata Star Bus series hybrid vehicle. Contents of the video: introduction to hybrid vehicle, types of hybrid vehicle, in which series hybrid vehicle, construction of series hybrid vehicle, then introduction to low floor Tata Star Bus, features of Tata Star Bus, its key points and its additional features. Introduction to hybrid vehicle. A hybrid vehicle which uses more than one form of energy is like using gasoline or petrol with the electrical motor. With these two energies, the vehicle moves or runs. Again, the advantage of hybrid vehicle is it will utilize less fuel, thus less emission to the environment, and also the fuel will be saved. Why you should choose a hybrid vehicle over a conventional vehicle? Fuel economy will get increased in case of hybrid vehicle. You have to go less to the pumps, then the money will be saved. Less gas will be utilized, thus emission will be low, and after sale price also will be greater than conventional vehicle. Again, there are some types of hybrid vehicle which comes in the market: a series hybrid vehicle, parallel hybrid vehicle, and series parallel hybrid vehicle. From these three, we are going to discuss about series hybrid vehicle in this video. A series hybrid vehicle, so we can define it as a series hybrid vehicle is in which only electrical motor provide the power to the wheel to move the vehicle. This electrical motor gets its power from either battery or a generator which is coupled with the IC engine. Now we will see construction and working of the series hybrid vehicle. In the block diagram, you can see there is a engine which is connected with the fuel which will provide required diesel or petrol to it. Then this engine is connected with the generator which converts mechanical energy into the electrical form. This energy is then transferred to the electronic circuitry or charger which store this energy into the battery. Then this battery is used to supply the power to the converter. Converter converts it in a specific required amount and give it to the electrical motor. Then electrical motor is coupled with the vehicle. So in this way you can see the energy is started from engine and come to the motor, and as the motor is coupled with the vehicle's wheels will start to move, and in this form the vehicle start to move from one position. Now we will discuss about the example of series hybrid vehicle. As I have earlier mentioned, it is a low floor Tata Star Bus. So I am going to give a short introduction of it. So this specific model is designed for MMRDA from the Tata Motors India, which is designed in Pune, and the models of this vehicle are designed at Lucknow plant of Tata Motors. Again, the manufacturing is done at AGCL Goa plant. The main motto to design such a vehicle is that to reduce the pollution produced because of the transportation vehicle and also to save the fuel. In 2018, the Tata Motor India has given 25 vehicles to the MMRDA. The picture which I have shown in my slide, it is specifically designed for the Mumbai region. We will discuss about some features of this Tata Star Bus. It is installed with an electrical powertrain with a 5-liter diesel engine. It is in total 12 meter in length. It is provided with automatic suspension which can be controlled electronically both at front and rear. It is now talking about the braking system. It is provided with disc brake for both front wheels and the rear wheels. On a single charge, it can go up to 100 to 150 km, which depends on the traffic condition, and it can be extended. Again, the charging time required is 4 to 6 hours for regular charge, and with fast charging it can get charged into 2 hours. Talking about passengers seating arrangement, it is provided with 31 seats for passenger and 1 seat for officials. Talking about floor height, it has 400 mm distance from ground. As it earlier mentioned, it is a low floor vehicle. The maximum speed of this vehicle is 80 km per hour. The charging infrastructure requirement are 60 to 120 kilowatt charger, and the last is power consumption. It consumes 0.9 to 1.2 kilowatt per hour. Key features of this hybrid vehicle: it completes all the requirement of Government of India regarding the hybrid vehicle. It meets all the requirement of urban bus specifications, and it saves about 28.24% of fuel, which is certified by ARAI. At the end of this presentation, I would like to share some additional features of this Tata Star bus. It is provided with Wi-Fi, FM radio, mobile charging point, TV set, and provided with maximum amount of comfort for both the passenger and the driver. At the end, I would like to thank everyone for watching this video. Thank you.